Marco, how
Allemaal inbruikbaar. Ja.
this tire, probably you remember, we have 17.5 ton of technical axle load. This is the maximum this tire can get at 30 kilometers an hour. If we count 2.5 ton of tare weight, as an average weight, so we can carry with each axle 15 tons. Yeah? This is the payload of each axle line, in this case.
Axle line, yeah.
For axle line, exactly. So if we go to the smaller tires, so we will have the same one with smaller tires in order to reduce the loading height. These smaller tires, they can carry 14.2 tons. They will be a little bit lighter, so they are able to carry technically 10 tons, more or less 10 tons of payload. You have take the modular axle lines, they have a weight of 3.5 ton per axle line. So within these 12 tons of axle load, we can carry only 8.5 tons. So that makes a very big difference.
Ja.
Ich habe es das erste Mal gesehen, ich wusste es nicht. Hat irgendeinen Grund.
Ich dachte, es ist ein Film.
Nein, das ist gar nicht. Wir haben The main advantage of this COMBIMAX system is the fact that we can combine conventional modular axle systems with extendable beams, so we can build a trailer in a way that we can have extendable trailers like you see it over there. So we can close this trailer and bring it to the smallest length in order to reduce the cost and permits cost and pilot car for empty roads, for empty runs. And we can even combine different axle systems together. So you can choose within your trailer park all of these components and bring them together to one trailer. So we could imagine the trailer behind of us with smaller tires in front and bigger tires at the rear side. If there is just no other option, you could work in this way. So that means you can reduce your total investment and you can really optimize the usage of your equipment. A point that we didn't mention right now is that we want to increase the number of kilometers per tire per year. So every tire on your yard should do a maximum of kilometers per year. That's what we want to do.
And what you achieve with this trailer is that you reduced the maximum axle line load,
Exactly.
thereby creating a lighter trailer, increasing the payload per line,
Yeah.
and therefore
Yeah.
with the extendable possibility you can have a long trailer as well as a short trailer, and can make with the one type gooseneck you can use it on different
All
trailers.
kind of axle system, exactly. So this trailer is destined to on-road transport companies. So we are not looking for these 35, 36 or 45 tons per axle line.
It's
They
not-
don't
not on
need
public roads.
this,
No,
exactly.
no.
And as I told you this morning, axle load is directly related to the weight
Yeah.
and to the price.
Yes.
So we can see this on our lighter pendular systems compared to the heavy-duty pendular system, that only the price of the components makes a very big difference. So I'm talking about the cylinders and axles. So we are thinking here about on-road transports. And the lowest speed that we are imagining for this system is 30 kilometers an hour. With that 30 kilometers an hour, we are defining and limiting the axle load.
And what is the payload more or less per axle line at 30 kilometers an hour?
So, as I explained to your colleague, as we have different types of modules, we have the center bogies, we have the end bogies, the front bogies, we have different tailways as well. On the 17.5 inch, we are talking about tailways between 2.3 and 2.7 ton per axle line. On the 245, it is not yet defined, but it will be even lighter than this. And the 215 tires, so with 8 tires per line, comparable to the modular trailers, they will be lighter as well. So that means for the same axle load, we will get more payload.